wedding is more than a celebration. It's the union of two souls, a lifetime in a single moment. Every detail, every smile, every tear holds meaning. Months of preparation for a day that cannot be repeated. A stunning paradise is the backdrop, with love at the center. This is a moment worth remembering. Capture it, cherish it, and let it live forever through images and film that honor your story. In every laugh, every quiet glance, and every heartfelt embrace, a story unfolds. It's these fleeting moments, shared with those you love most, that become the memories you'll treasure forever. True love is the quiet strength between two hearts, an invisible bond that turns fleeting moments into timeless memories, woven into a story that only they can share. With Nestor Zavarce photo and film, it's not just about capturing moments. It's about honoring your story as a friend who's there to make every memory last a lifetime. Take a moment to reflect. How do you want to remember one of the most important days of your life? Some moments only happen once. Secure your photo and video package and ensure your story is beautifully captured for a lifetime.